Now, the case involving 21 suspected illegal miners has been postponed to the 18th of October. The group is charged with contravening the Immigration Act and conspiracy to commit robbery. They have not been granted bail and will remain under police custody. They were arrested following an intensive police operation at a mining shaft in Stilfontein on Monday. Authorities seized ammunition, explosives and an undisclosed amount of money. Our reporter Refiloe Seboko is outside Stilfontein Regional Court and joins us now live. Very good morning. Good afternoon to you, Refiloe. Talk to us about the outcomes of the court matter this morning.
Good afternoon, Mpho. The outcome is that which you rightfully say on your intro, that the case against the 20 illegal miners that were arrested in Stilfontein on Monday has been postponed to the 18th of October. That is as a result, amongst other things, you'll understand that they are facing also a violation of Immigration Act as a result of those that are arrested. That forms part of the number of those that are arrested are foreign nationals. When he was explaining, Police Minister Bekele saying that 13 mostly are coming from Lesotho, one from Eswatini, one from Zim, and they also had 5 South Africans that were arrested. But when we were doing the magistrate together with the attorneys, together with the police officials in court this morning, when they were doing the head count, we found out that there was actually 21 illegal miners that came to court this morning, and that case is now postponed to the 18th of October, just so that they look into and assessing issues of documentation. You'll understand that some have been alleged to be in the country without proper documentation, and that is the reason as to why that matter is being postponed to the 18th of October.
Refiloe, just also looking at illegal mining, the nature of Zamazamas being under the spotlight of late. I know that you were speaking to Police Minister Bekele, and he was speaking about the plan that's in place to ensure that more of these arrests are made.
He was also touching on the issue of saying that police alone cannot be able to fight the illegal mining. That way they need to work together with other stakeholders that involve the Department of Home Affairs in ensuring and also verifying citizenship of these illegal miners. That also include mining companies that also need to come on board and do more, Mpho, in making sure that those mines that are left unused, they need to be closed officially, so because if that is not the case, then it becomes a criminal activities attraction. He also emphasized the importance of working together with other departments, including the SACP, or rather the SAPS, that is South African Police Services. That also, he said, congratulated to them yesterday to say they did a well done job in making sure that they arrest. You'll understand, Mpho, that also one of the cases that was sitting, we saw the 88 that were arrested last year, October. You'll remember the shootout that happened in Okni, the mining town in Matlosana, between the police and together with the illegal miners. A total of 88 that were arrested last year. Also going back, Minister Cele, to that incident to say it keeps on continuing, and it talks also to the market. It means that as these activities are continuing, therefore it means that there are people who need to be applied. This is why we see the continuation of illegal mining. He said that with these operations, as they will continue to involve other stakeholders, because it looks like these guys are on a mission and they mean business in going and continuing with illegal operations. But he said that they are also going to go into the drawing board to see where is it that they are going wrong, how they can be able to intensify their operations in making sure that they eradicate or eliminate or do away altogether with illegal mining in South Africa as a whole. He also made mention of not only Northwest being the part that has the trouble of illegal miners. He mentioned of 5 provinces as a whole in South Africa, one of them being Limpopo, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and the Northwest. And he said that their operations will be going to those mining shafts that are left unattended, that are not rehabilitated, and that continue continues to be an attraction of crime activities.
Very well, Refiloe Seboko speaking to us from the Stilfontein Magistrates Court following the postponement of the case involving 20 illegal miners, which is now set for the 18th of October.